Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we got this here. This is going to be an under cabinet garbage can. So I'm gonna assemble this and you guys can watch and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so now I've got it kind of put together and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. And so what we'll do is we're gonna have to mount this down into the cabinets. We have the 4 little screw holes, but that's it. At that point, this here will be here. I'll have a garbage can in here and you can adjust the width of it, the length of it here by just picking which hole you want to stick it in, and then it'll kind of hold it in by pressure there. And then it'll slide all the way in and all the way out. How cool is that? And then it's got a little basket in the front too, so you can keep your garbage bags. Well, I'll keep my garbage bags in there. And so then I can just easily do that. And it'll just slide in and slide out inside the cabinet. So as long as you have a tall enough cabinet, you're good to go, and just pick a right says garbage can. So I'm gonna say this is really nice. Thumbs up from me. Very cool. And if you needed the installation instructions, this is what they look like. So very cool.